these conferences are just terrific and create so much value for the time spent.
I learn something incredible every time I attend an ACFE event, whether that's a chapter meeting, that's a training that's put on, but certainly at the global conference you get a ton of incredible education from a lot of fraud experts.
You hear different perspectives, different ideas, and these different perspectives, you don't even realize it at the time, but it's going to give you that epiphany moment when you start working in investigation that you never thought was possible.
As soon as my grandfather is out of earshot, my step-grandmother's actually there, and she turns to me and goes, "Henry Kissinger thinks it's all fake. He thinks the box doesn't actually exist." And I was like, yes! Why is nobody listening to Henry Kissinger right now?
No matter what, every year you should be adding something else to your game.
And the nature of fraud has changed, and the only way to keep up with it is to keep coming to conferences like this.